all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
What's up, guys? Today's video is on this Nadula wig. It is one of the new wear and go glueless wigs, 150% density, 24 inches, and this is actually a 6 by 4.5 closure. It's a little bit bigger than a 5.5, and I really like that. This is the first time I've ever had one of these. It's a honey blonde color, curly texture. It has the grippies on the inside to hold your wig in place, the elastic band. The wig comes pre-plucked very nicely. I love Nadula's pre-plucked glueless wigs. I think they all come plucked very natural, and the lace comes pre-cut. So yes, let's go ahead and get into this wig install today. It's going to be a very beginner friendly. that's pretty much it. That's all for this install. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved it. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. I would definitely cop this wig. It is 150% density, but it's giving 180. It's really, really full. Quality is good. I love Nadula. Worth your coins, sis. So yes, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Nadula.